Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out eviction forms. First, you need to understand the specific eviction laws in your area, as these vary significantly by state and county. Next, ensure you have all the necessary documents and information about your tenant and the property. This includes lease agreements, payment records, and any communication logs. Knowing the precise legal grounds for eviction is crucial before you begin filling out any paperwork. Before you start writing, compile all the essential details. You'll need the full legal names of every tenant listed on the lease, along with their contact information. Make sure to have the complete property address, including any apartment or unit numbers. Also, clearly record the lease agreement start date and the exact monthly rent amount. Having these facts ready will streamline the form filling process and prevent errors. Now, carefully complete each section of the eviction forms. Use clear, legible handwriting or type if possible. Remember to attach any supporting documents, such as a copy of the lease agreement, notices served, or ledgers showing unpaid rent. It's vital to double-check all dates, names, and financial figures for accuracy. Any mistakes could cause delays or even lead to your case being dismissed. Once your forms are complete and accurate, file them with the correct court clerk in your jurisdiction. Be prepared to pay any required filing fees. After filing, you must legally serve the tenant with the eviction notice according to your local laws, often through a sheriff or process server. This ensures they are properly informed. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.